In this video, we will learn about startup modes in Oracle Database. There are 6 startup modes. No-mount, mount, and open modes are used more frequently than others. We can better understand the working logic of the modes by making an example. I open the SQL+ program with SYSBA mode. I start Oracle Database in no-mount mode. You can think of Oracle Database as 2 parts. The first is the instance, the second is the database part. Instance is the brain of the Oracle Database. All administrative operations are done in the instance. The database part consists of disks. Instance manages these disks. If the Oracle Database is opened in no-mount mode, only the instance becomes active. The database part is not activated for users. Therefore, users cannot query the tables they create themselves. Only fixed system tables and views that are not connected to the disk can be queried. The database is usually opened in no-mount mode for recovery operations. Only users with database admin authority can connect to the database. I am connecting to the database with the system user in the system admin role. I will try to run the queries I prepared in advance. I can query the instance view, because this view has no connection to the disk. Status is in started mode. We can see what it means on this site. If the database is in no-mount mode, the status column is set as started. Session view can be queried. However, database, tablespace or employee views cannot be queried, because these views have a direct connection to the disk. In no-mount mode, users cannot perform disk-related operations such as select, insert, update. Let's try connecting with a different user. This user is not in the system admin role. Connection cannot be established. In no-mount mode, only admin-authorized users can connect. All other remote connections are not allowed. I will set the database's mode to mount. The database is currently in no-mount mode. There are 2 options to do this. I close the first database with the shutdown command. Afterwards, I start the database with a startup mount. In the second option, I can set the database to mount mode with the alter database command. I'm doing the second option. The disk partition is mounted. This mode is used for maintenance operations such as database recovery and data files rename. Database's status is in mounted mode. We can look at the meaning of this on this site. Now I can query the hard system tables associated with the disk. I can access database and tablespace views. But I can't access the user tables yet. As in no-mount mode, only system admin authorized users can connect to the database in mount mode. I will set the database to open mode. There are 2 options to do this. First, close the database and then open it in open mode. Startup and startup open command mean the same thing. It puts the database into open mode in 2 commands. In the second option, you can put it in open mode with the alter database command. Again, I will run all 5 queries in order. The database is currently in open mode. I can now access tables created by users. Additionally, users who are not system admin authorized can connect to the database. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.